Hi, this is Eddie with A Mindful Emergence. This week I went to a dispensary to pick up some flour, and I ended up investing $2 in something I've been thinking about getting for a while, and that is a hemp wick. All right. So, what is a hemp wick? Basically, what it sounds like, it's just a string of hemp that you pull out, and the idea is that you use this to light your flour instead of using your butane lighter. I've been hearing about this, getting reports from all kinds of people, many of them commenting after these videos, especially when I bring up topics about smoking and dry flower vaping and all in joints and all these different ways of taking in flower. And it really does seem that this is not the healthiest option, that you're actually inhaling some butane. Now, I don't know how much that is true, but this has got to be better. So it's real simple. You just get your pipe ready and you light this. Now, typically, what I do in the couple of times that I've used it, I just set the pipe down and then I just touch the bowl with this, just enough to get that cherry going to get a nice flame, get a nice burn. And then you just set this down. And even though there's a little part like that, you just take your wet fingers and you're fine. All right. So the first benefit is I'm not getting all that butane. It's got to be healthier. The second thing is think about this. All right. So notice the flame that I have right here and compare it to this flame. All right. Which one do you think is burning hotter? All right. Now, you know that cannabis flower has these things called terpenes. Terpenes are aromatic compounds, and they have a tremendous effect on your experience using cannabis flower. And when we use really high heat, it can damage the terpenes. That's why when you do dry flower vaping, it's beneficial because the vaporizer has a lower heat than a flame and is easier on those terpenes. And the terpenes are in the trichomes, and those trichomes can easily get damaged in various ways, including heat. So not only is it healthier, but you're getting more benefit of these incredible terpenes by doing this. The third thing is the taste. Now, I had heard that it affects the taste, but I was a little skeptical. But I got to tell you, after a couple of times using this, it really tasted better. It's hard to describe the difference, but other than to say it was smoother and I could just really taste the flour a lot better. So there's three benefits that I got, and it's amazing. And it's just $2 for this thing. Now, there are a couple of disadvantages. One is that it does add a step to the process. All right. So once you get your pipe ready, you've got to light this and then apply this. So it is one step, but it's no big deal. It was super easy. Where it will be difficult is if it's windy. I do all my smoking and vaping outside. I don't do it in the house. All right. And obviously, sometimes it's windy. And this could get tricky. If it's windy, I don't know if this is going to work or not. And those may be the situations where I say, okay, I'm going to have to pull out the bit for this one to get my flower going. But I think overwhelmingly, as I move forward, this is going to be my friend, and I'm going to continue to use this. And I can't think of a reason not to. So if you've had experience with a hemp wick, I'd love to hear about it. If there's something that you can add to this conversation that's helpful, we certainly welcome that addition. And thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next video. Hope this was helpful.